Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm good, I'm fine, I'm wonderful.
Declaration. All the information shared are based on personal learning, understanding, and experience. However, if there's any wrongly understood information, your kind act of informing via Facebook or YouTube is much appreciated. Learning is always better when it's both ways. World Environment Day. The World Environment Day, it's on the coming 5th of June 2021. In conjunction with the World Environment Day, the UN has come up with the theme of this year, which is ecosystem restoration. It aims to prevent, halt, and reverse the degradation of ecosystems on every continent and in every ocean. And it will only succeed if everyone plays a role. That's why the Happy Classroom has come up with the theme of this month, environment, and a little campaign in conjunction with the World Environment Day, Our Earth, Our Home. This campaign and this theme will last 1 month in June. There will be tutorials and videos on YouTube. There will be interactive posts each day on Facebook, and it aims to lead learners to think or reflect on their daily activities and how can they help the environment, help our earth, which is our home. And it encourages learners to act to help our environment, as well as it included and develops all development areas of learners from physical development, cognitive development to emotional development. The Happy Classroom here really hope that everyone could share out the information and play a role for a better environment and home. By the meantime, before the campaign Our Earth, Our Home starts on the 5th of June 2021, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share our Facebook page as well as YouTube channel to support our campaign and our channel. Thank you.